Hi, welcome to the tutorial for Mathematica. Today we're going to learn how to install Mathematica onto your system. For that, open your internet browser, go to UTEP Mathematica. That is the easiest way to get the Mathematica software. So once you type that, you get this Mathematica at UTEP, and you click on that. And then when you come down, this is the page for Mathematica at UTEP. So this is a free software. Every student, whoever has the ID of UTEP, they can log into it and then download it. Mathematica can also be installed on UTEP owned computers, faculty and staff personally owned computers, and student personally owned computers. For student personally owned computers, you go on to click on this, and it kind of gives us a basic instruction how to create an account, and then you will get you'll have to fill out a form, and then you will get a link and then activation codes, and then you get to download the software. So I'm just going to give you a brief idea on it. So first step is you go and create a Wolfram ID. For that, you go to Wolfram, and then what you got to do is create one, and click on this part, the create one. Once you create an ID, you will check your email and click the link to validate your Wolfram ID. So for that, I just wanted to show you a demonstration. So if I go on my mail, I have this Wolfram account. So please verify your email address. So I click on that, and it kind of verifies my email. So once that's done, you have to fill out a form, which kind of looks like this. I'll just log in. So it kind of looks like this. It's Wolfram activation key request form. So for that, you select your major, mechanical engineering, and then whatever you want to type for that, and then click on this Mathematica for students, for sites, single machine, and go for the latest version. 12.1.1.0 is the latest one, so that is your latest one. And then tell them your graduation date, anticipated graduation. So for example, for me it's December 2020, and I'm just going to put December 2020, and then just press submit, and that's it. It goes. So once you press submit, what you're going to get is in your UTEP email ID, you're going to get this email. So it's something like your activation key, your product, and then it kind of gives you a link to download your product from Wolfram. So, and in the end, it's going to look like this. So in the end, it's going to look like this. So this is your portal, Wolfram user portal, and then once you've entered into it, so there you get your get downloads. If you click on it, there you go. So you have your view activation keys, get downloads, and all that. Don't worry about all that, and just straight away come over here and download the software. So once you come into this page, go below, and you can click on this download manager. So once you press download manager, you will get these kind of a small just pop up over here. You click on it, and then it will redirect you to the install download manager, and then all you have to do is follow the steps, because since mine is already complete, I don't have to do it. So at any time you guys get stuck at anywhere, any point, make sure you go step by step. So first you create, since you all are new users, create a new on a Wolfram account, and then you activate it by verify your ID over here. Once that is done, you fill out this form to request an activation key. Once that is done, go to get downloads, click on the download manager, and then you're good to go. Once you're done, you enter into it, and then this is your software, Wolfram Mathematica. Click on it, there you go, you're good to go. You can start using your Mathematica.